4 suspects accused in the disappearance of the 6-year-old Joslin Smith were unmasked at the Vredenburg Magistrate Court today. Dumela Kazi, welcome back to the cafe. Libitso la ka ke K. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning Sabi, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. On the 19th of February 2024, Joslin Smith went missing under the care of her mother's boyfriend. Today marks 17 days since the last time Joslin Smith was seen. So on this actual video, we're going to be talking about the proceedings that happened today in a court, and we are still searching for Joslin Smith. And also on top of that, before we jump into it, I just want to clarify something to those who actually got hold of my Instagram account and DM'd me about the information that I never shared on this platform. Obviously, the information would be people who are living around there, people who know more about the story. As you all know, that the police only give us a fraction of the whole story just to protect the actual case, because Joslin Smith is still missing. Unfortunately, and I apologize for that, I'm not gonna be able to run with any story that is not verified. Anything that I am actually delivering on this platform, it is verified. It is everything that is available for public consumption. So anything that is coming through my DMs and I feel like it's not verified, I am not going to be able to share it here. This is protecting me, protecting you, and also protecting the whole case, because the main thing here is to find Joslin Smith, and hopefully the main thing should be finding Joslin Smith alive. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. The 4 suspects appeared obviously in court today, and we are now having an idea who were those 4 suspects. We have had actual facial revelation of these 4 suspects, and the 2 suspects are no strangers, because 2 of them are the boyfriend of Joslin's mom and Kelly, who is Joslin's mom. As we all know, we always said these 2 should be the prime suspects, and at this point of time the police confirmed that these 4 adults are actually apprehended and they are under police custody. The last time I spoke about these 4 actual people, I said to you that was the information that we were or the information that was available for public consumption, that 4 were in for questioning, and at this point of time these 4 were actually charged with 2 charges. One is human trafficking and the second one is kidnapping. And obviously today's court proceedings were just brief. These 4 were registering their legal representations, right? So they will only appear again, because the whole thing has been postponed. They will only appear on the 13th of March for their bail application or bail information. The police also highlighted that they are unable to provide more information about this case because it might compromise the whole search court and court proceedings rather. The Commissioner General Thembisile Patekile also confirmed that they might add more charges and more suspects might be brought in. Depending on the investigation and obviously depending on where Joslin was located and who had Joslin Smith. So as you heard, that more charges might come forward. As you all know that Joslin is still missing. We don't know what happened to Joslin. Anything might have happened to her, and all those charges will be added on top of them. So for now they only have 2 charges, if I'm not mistaken, which is obviously trafficking and kidnapping. So I am so I'm not shocked that Kelly Smith and the boyfriend are under custody, and obviously they will stay behind bars until the appearance date, which is on the 13th of March. They will stay behind bars. We now know that we've got suspects. We can actually relax that this is going to the right direction. We might be so stressful about the whole thing, how quick it should go and all of those things, but we have to understand that in South Africa, you have to also know, if you didn't know, in South Africa, SAPS is understaffed and under-resourced. They do not have enough resources to actually make sure that these whole cases and forensic and all of those things, they are as quickly as possible. As human beings, we just want justice. We just want everything to be done properly. And obviously, they cannot do that if they are under-resourced and understaffed. They might be actually getting hired and all of those things, but if you don't have resources, most of the times you can have manpower, let's say, but if you don't have resources, you're not going to be able to deliver what you need to deliver. So I hope and pray that they will get more leads, and obviously, as you heard, that we're not going to be able to get more information about this because it might have a bad effect towards the case proceedings and towards the court proceedings. So anything that is coming forward, I will definitely come back and let you know what is actually the way forward, what is happening, what will be happening throughout this journey. And I just want to repeat, I'm not going to be able to actually inform you about things that are not verified at all. And I hope and pray on your side, you're still looking around. Look around. Also, I would like to thank each and every one of the people that are actually hands-on, especially the community in the Saldanha Bay area, Middle Post, especially that community. I would like to applaud them for doing the whole case justice, because obviously you wake up in the morning, you go and search for someone else's kid because you care the most. You want justice, and top of it, you want to live in a safe area. So anything else that will come up and come forward, I will let you know what is the story. So please let me know what you think about this thing. Do you think that more people will be arrested, more people will be brought for questioning and all of those things? Because obviously Joslin Smith is still missing and more charges might come forward. And if you don't understand about more charges, for example, if Joslin Smith was assaulted, maybe Joslin Smith is no longer alive and all of those things, then there might be charges for murder, there might be charges for attempted murder, there might be a lot of charges that might be coming forward. As much as we want to know what are those charges, for now we cannot know, because the main factor here, the main person that is the main story is Joslin Smith, and it is Joslin Smith needs to be found in order for us to actually make everything together. And also, I would like to hear how these four suspects answer their own demons that they actually might be implicated for. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic one. I'll see you on my next upload. Peace out.